Bob with Hartford Truck. I'm with Jared today from LiftGator. He's going to do a quick demo on this unique product.
Hello, Jared Eisen over at LiftGator. This is our XTR 50 EA power support. It's a removable hitch-mounted liftgate that can lift up to 1,300 pounds into the back of a vehicle. The platform is made out of extruded aluminum. It's 48 inches wide, 50 inches from the pole to the end. That means you can put a standard pallet with a pallet jack on it and lift it to your truck. Once you get your product that you need on it, just lift it up. Press up smoothly. The flap will fold down into the back of the truck. You load what you need into the truck to a flat loading surface, and when it's all said and done, you're ready to drive down the road. You can leave the inner flap in. You can fold this up, and you can drive away. Simple as that. Check us out at our website, liftgator.com. Also on Twitter, Instagram. Get it.
So what's cool about this product is it can interchange between vehicles. So it's got this very easy transfer system that you could, so you don't have to dedicate one truck in your fleet to use a lift gate. So if you have other purposes for this truck, you don't want to be driving around with this thing on while you're plowing, for example, or something like that, or you just need it for a day, you can take it on and off so easy. It's a very slick product. Check them out, LiftGator.